What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we're going to be making chicken pie. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. For the filling, you will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooked shredded chicken, 2 tablespoons of frozen vegetables, 3 tablespoons of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and some salt and pepper. For the topping, you will need 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of butter cut up into cubes, and 3.5 tablespoons of milk. You will also need your microwave safe mug, a fork, a spoon, and a separate bowl. So let's go ahead and start by mixing the ingredients into our mug. So first we're going to add in our chicken. Our frozen veggies. And for the frozen veggies, it can be anything you like. I just have some peas, carrots, corn, and green beans. Now we're going to add in our chicken stock. And our milk. We're going to add in our cornstarch. And our salt and pepper. Now we're going to use our fork to give this a good mix. Now you want to set this to the side and mix up the ingredients for your filling. For our filling, we are going to add in our flour, and our butter, our baking powder, and our salt. And you want to use a fork and mix this all together, and it should be like a breadcrumb consistency. You want to make sure that all the butter is crumbled up. So just like that. Once you have your butter all smashed in, you can go ahead and add in your milk. Now we're going to give that a good mix. And it should form like a thick batter. Once you have that all mixed together, then you want to spoon it on top of your filling mixture. Now you want to pop this into your microwave for 2 minutes or until the topping rises. Once your pie is finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing it because the mug may be hot. It should look just like that if your dough rised properly. Now all that's left to do is the taste test. Oh my goodness, this is comfort food in a mug. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more videos, tune in every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. My next video will premiere on Wednesday, December the 4th, and we'll be making a rainbow mug cake. Bye guys.